Hello everyone, welcome my dear YouTube family. Today I would like to talk about 5 key valuable lessons to implement in our life from the book The Magic of Thinking Big. This is one of the greatest books of our times, and let's get started without any further ado. So the first lesson from this book we can learn from is you will get success if you believe you are worthy of it. So what this book is actually talking about, from this lesson, what we can learn is you must believe in yourself, and you should always believe that you can do it, and you should always have that winner mindset. You should always believe in yourself that you're going to succeed. You should always believe that you're going to win. I think that's what this lesson is about. And definitely if you have that kind of mindset, and that's what, if you more believe in yourself, you having a self-belief in yourself that you can achieve things, then definitely success will follow. That's what that we can learn from this lesson, and we can implement in our life. And the second lesson, let's go to the second lesson, what this book is talking about. The second lesson is it's talking about is excuses are the main reason for the failure. So when you talk about excuses, there are many things. I think in terms of psychology, there's a term called excusitis, which means that we give the reasons for excuses. We give the reasons for having excuses for anything. Excuses for time, excuses for not avoiding the pain, giving excuses for not taking up challenges, excuses about age, excuses about luck. So there are a lot of excuses we give to avoid the suffering, or avoid the pains. That is one of the major reasons why the failure happens for the people who believe in that. Because if you have never give up attitude, and if you face a lot of challenges with a lot of positivity and with a lot of winner mindset, then definitely you will succeed. Both successful and unsuccessful people have difficulties in life. Everybody have difficulties in life, but you need to avoid those excuses, saying that, for example, you will say that, yeah, today I'm already so old, I don't have that energy and time left to succeed in my life. So you give all these kind of excuses in your life, and you say that, yes, somebody is very successful in their life, and you say, yeah, they are successful because they are having luck factor, and which you don't have the luck factor involved in that, and you always believe that that's one of the major reasons why you are not being successful. So these things these things will happen. Actually, these things will make you the major reasons for your failure in life. So never ever believe in those excuses. Avoid excuses, and work hard on yourself to avoid the excuses, and just do it, and you believe it, and you will achieve it. I think that's the lesson we can learn from this book, and we can implement it, right? So let's go to the next third lesson. Third lesson is all about build confidence and destroy fear. I think this is very good lesson we can all learn from. It's basically a lifelong learning. I personally believe that the self-confidence, building the self-confidence, and always having the self-confidence, and will always have succeed you. It's one of the most important trait in your life. If you have self-confidence, definitely you can achieve a lot in your life, and you can go far ahead in your life. If you see all the successful people in their life, if you see all the people who are successful in their businesses, in their lives, you can see the one common trait they have is they have amazing self-confidence in themselves, and they are fearless people. They are fearless. That's why you have to destroy the fear. You should not have fear in your life. Yes, you will come across a lot of things which are tough, which are very challenging, which you are not good in, and which we always believe that because of our weakness, we are succumbed to the fear. So never ever be, and this fear can basically affect your success very badly, because confidence is the only remedy for every kind of fear. If you have the confidence, right, self-confidence, then definitely it's the remedy for every kind of fear. It might be difficult for the first time, but slowly and naturally you will feel confident about yourself. You have to work on it. So that's very important. And let's go to the next and fourth lesson we can implement in our life. That is, you are what you think you are. Basically, if you see, what you think is actually what you become. You are what you think. Basically, you will become what you think, and you can achieve what you think. If you think you can achieve it, you definitely can achieve it. If you think you cannot achieve it, then you are right, you cannot achieve it. So that's how it's all about the mindset. It's all about what you think. And if, for example, if you look at the news channels nowadays, you see a lot of negativity spread across on a lot of subjects, a lot of topics, a lot of issues going around on the world. A lot of negativity has been spread across. Most of the negativity thoughts comes from this. This is basically, it's kind of demon which actually succumbs you with negative energy, and it all releases the negative energy. And sometimes you may it also creates a self-doubt within yourself, and that's how you should not be doing it. That's why you should always be thinking positive. You should always take things positively, from positive attitude and from positive thinking, and think positive so that your dreams can come true. If you think positive and if you believe things are going to be positive, and you should also believe in yourself. So that's the very important lesson, that you have to always think positive about things, about life, about everything. The more you think about yourself positive, the more you have good things about you in your mind, you will definitely happen good things in your life as well. So going on to the last lesson from this book, it is about use goals. Use goals to help you grow. I think goals is very important. I think goal setting is one of the great trait anyone can have. And if you see, all the successful people in this world have got goals. They have set their goals to themselves. They work on those goals. It is very important to get success in life. You have to have goals in your life, and nobody can get success without a goal. Believe me, you cannot succeed if you don't have goals. Once you set the goals, you realize how much effort it will be taking to get succeed, and with how much amount of time is required. So you have to measure your goals, set your SMART goals, set specific goals, set measurable goals, set time bound and achieving goals, which is realistically possible, and achieve those goals within those timelines, and reward yourself with a greater success. I think that's what is extremely important. So this is the whole summary of this. This is a 5 summary of this 5 key valuable lessons from this book, amazing book, The Magic of Thinking Big. I think I mean we have a lot of ideas from this book. You can read this book from you can get this book from Amazon, and you can definitely read if you want to learn more lessons from this book. I think you should go ahead and read this book. I think if you want to capture more valuable lessons from this book. So I mean we can learn. I mean end of this thing, we can learn as many lessons from this book. But if you're not implementing in our life, then there's no point in just reading the book and keeping the book aside, right? So the whole key valuable lessons has to be implemented in life. I mean reading is not enough. Implementing is very important. So that's what the mantra of this channel is, to keep learning and keep growing and keep implementing in your life. So thank you so much once again. If you have any feedback, please share us in our comment section, and we will get back to you with a lot of improvement areas, whatever we can do to improve ourselves and provide you better service, so that we can add value to this world. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.